Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will configure the OTP template for credit note redemption in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the Setup module from the main menu. Under Configurations, open the Setup OTP Message Templates window. Select the template type as Retail Sale from the drop-down. Define the template name and template short name, then enter the SMS URL. Press the space key in the message column to compose the OTP message that will be sent to the customer, and press the space key in the Implement on column and tick the credit note option. Once all details are configured, save the changes to activate the OTP template. Open the Sales Bill window and initiate a transaction. Suppose the customer returns later and wants to exchange or return an item, but the required article is currently not available in stock. In this case, a sales return entry is created against the original bill and a credit note is issued. So open Sale Return window from Billing menu and initiate an entry. This credit note is handed over to the customer so that it can be redeemed during a future visit, and the amount can be adjusted against a new bill. When the customer visits again, a new transaction is initiated. After the items are billed and the customer presents the credit note for settlement, press F3 key. Click on the Link SR option to link the sales return and adjust the credit note amount against the bill. Before proceeding, open the Configuration button. Select the appropriate template from the drop-down and enable the option to send an OTP to the SR customer. Then, enter the credit note number, select the relevant CN, and click on Send OTP. An OTP is sent to the customer's registered mobile number, which the operator must enter on the screen. Only after successful OTP verification will the credit note amount be settled against the bill. As shown, an amount of 1,200 rupees is adjusted using the credit note, and the remaining balance of 99 rupees is paid by the customer.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.